Your salary comes in. You feel good. 10 days later your balance looks thin. You ask yourself where the money went. The answer is simple. You don't track your daily spending. Today you fix this with a 3-step system. It takes less than a minute a day. You spend in small amounts. Morning tea. Snacks near office. Quick cab rides. Grocery items you pick without thinking. You forget these small spends by night. You remember the big lunch bill. You forget the 3 coffees. You try using apps. After a few days you stop because it feels heavy. You fail because the system doesn't match real life. You move fast. Your spending is scattered. You need a simple method that fits your day. 3 steps. Step 1. Track only 3 categories. Step 2. Follow the 30-second rule. Step 3. Do a weekly review. You focus only on the categories where money leaks. Food, delivery, evening snacks, office canteen meals. Example, 2 coffees at 40 rupees each every day become 2,400 rupees a month. Travel, petrol, metro rides, cabs, autos. Example, taking a cab for a 2 kilometers distance 5 times a week adds 1,000 rupees to your month without your notice. Impulse buys, unplanned purchases. A shirt on sale. A random gadget. A skincare product you saw online. Example, 3 impulse orders of 499 rupees each feel small but total 1,500 rupees. Fixed costs stay out. Rent, EMIs, bills. They don't change weekly. When you spend money, pause for 30 seconds. Open your notes app or a small diary. Write the amount and the category. Examples, T15 food. Auto 70 travel. Phone case 399 impulse. This rule works because memory fades fast. If you record later, you miss half your spends. When you record instantly, you stay aware. Awareness reduces overspending. Example, you pick up a snack for 60 rupees. You record it. After 3 recordings in a day, you slow down. The system corrects your actions without pressure. Sunday evening. Open your notes. Total the 3 categories. Ask yourself, did food cross your weekly limit? Did travel stay reasonable? Did impulse spending drop or rise? If your food total shows 1,800 rupees for the week, check why. Too many deliveries? Evening snacking? Weekend outings? If travel touches 1,200 rupees, check if short trips turned into cab rides. If impulse buys hit 2,300 rupees, block shopping notifications next week. The review gives clarity. You see patterns. You fix them. Complete 4 weeks. Your spending behavior becomes clear. You find leaks quickly. Examples. You notice you spend 2,500 rupees a month on snacks. You cut it to 1,200 rupees. You see your impulse buying totals 3,000 rupees a month. You reduce it to 500 rupees. You realize most cab rides were avoidable. You plan better. You save more without feeling restricted. You deal with small and frequent spending. Delivery apps, ride options, quick payments. Money flows out fast. A simple manual method builds awareness. Awareness improves decisions. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. Mistakes to avoid. Tracking too many categories. Recording once a week. Skipping the Sunday review. Writing too much detail. Raising spending limits often. So start today. Track food, travel, and impulse buys. Follow the 30-second rule. Review every Sunday. You will know where every rupee goes. You will feel in control of your money. See you next week with another money solution.